Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just click on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your settings, it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here. So you keep going down here. You click here on accessibility here, just click on it. You come to next step, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on display and text size. So then you come here to button chips here, clicking this sign. So like you see this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.